my lovely subscribers, and my camera is crooked. Y'all notice I'm always trying to fix the camera in the video. Greetings all of you to my lovely subscribers. I'm Jarva, and if you didn't know that by now, that means that you have not been tuned in. But basically, I'm going to be making this video to show you guys how to put on lashes, okay, for beginners. And I say this because I'm a beginner. I don't know nothing about makeup, but I know how to put on some lashes. I was sent these lashes from Mink with a Mink. They're literally so cute. I'm gonna have the page somewhere right there, y'all. I don't like I said, I don't promote stuff that's not, you know, really pretty. They're very wispy, that, minks, big blinks. So she sent me both. Oh, this could be a cute thumbnail. Big blinks. I'm gonna get up close for y'all so y'all can see. They're really cute. $10. So go get you some, please. I'm gonna wear these ones. Excuse. This glue been through a lot. This is the glue that I use. This is the glue that I feel is best for beginners. Let me show you guys how to put on lashes, because look what I'm tired of seeing. I'm tired of seeing this. You guys are out here looking like Rosa.
Open your purse. I see it right there. Give it. Give me your $1.
This is not... No. Okay, so to put these on, you really just need the lashes and the lash glue. I'm gonna be trying to use tweezers for this video for educational purposes. I do not use tweezers, like, it's not my vibe. I like to use my hands because it's like right there. First thing you want to do is take your lashes. The lash glue I have is the Duo brush on adhesive, and this one is like, I believe it's translucent. All I know is that it's clear. It dries clear, but when you apply it, it's like, I don't need like holographic type, but it dries clear. So this is the best one, because if you don't know how to put on lashes and stuff, you can mess up with this. You're not gonna see it because it's clear. When you're using the black lash glue, or you're using the 30-second dry hair glue that people be using, I hated that, because any mistake I made, it would just be all over my eye like a big glob, and nobody wants to see that. So this is what you should use if you're not that good at applying. This is the first step, honestly. You need to figure out which lash goes on which eye. Some people just take it out the package and just put it on any eye. Notice the corner of your real lashes are always shorter than the outside. That's how the lashes need to be. See? You can see this side is shorter than the rest of the lash. So you know that this short corner goes on this eye, and the other lash must go on this eye. You get what I'm saying? Because like, if you put this over here, you can see that it goes from large to small, and that's not how a real eyelashes go. So you got to make sure that it's on the right eye. Let's take this glue. Don't put too much, okay? You want to put a thin layer. You don't want to put too much. Take the lash glue. It's on a wand. And I don't know if you can see that, but just brush it on there. See? It's like, it looks purplish, but I promise you it dries clear. So do a thin layer, right? Thin layer, as you can see. Sometimes I go in for the other areas if I feel like it's not enough. And then make sure you have a lot of glue on the outside. Ooh. Yeah. Have a lot of glue on the outside. Once again, don't worry about if some of it is running, if some of it is doing this, doing that. It dries clear. So your lash should look like this. Now, it dries kind of quickly. So you want to make this quick and you want to make this cute. So I usually blow on it. And you'll notice it's drying when it starts to lose that blue color. So this is why I like this lash glue. It's so informative, this is really good if you're just starting out. But you can go like that. Either one. We're just gonna wait for you to dry. Sometimes I use a blow dryer. Like if I'd be in a rush, I would take a blow dryer and just blow dry it, because nobody has the time to wait. See, it's getting dry. The color is turning like into a darker type blue. Now at this point, you take your tweezers, which I don't normally do, but I'm going to do for this video. And make sure you have it measured out, like where you're gonna put it before you actually drop it, because it could get messy. So I like to hold my hand with the other hand just for the double support, and start by dragging in the corner. And just drop it in the middle. I'm not even gonna play myself and use these tweezers right now, because this is not really how I do my thing. Just pull it out and make sure it's sitting right on the lash line. You don't want a gap in between your lashes and your eyelid. Like, I don't like when I can see the eyelid throughout it. So you see? Bing! Bing, bang, boom. I think I was supposed to cut these to measure it to my eye, but I did not. Also, if you have mascara, mascara will really like pull the look together. But these are so cute. Wait. Y'all didn't know that this was Nikki's channel. Take the other lash now. If you guys didn't catch that first one, you guys are gonna see it here. Once again, you can use tweezers if you want, if you think that's easier for you. Me, I like to really get in there, and it's just easier. Tweezers is too picky. As you can see, this corner is short, and it matches up with that short corner, if you get what I'm saying. Like, you know, once again, you dip the wand in there and just line the band. Line. Matter of fact, I'm gonna move. These are the lashes. You have the glue. Just line the band. And make sure you keep the glue generous on the ends, because the ends, trust me, if you know, when you're wearing lashes, when the end starts sticking up, that's the most annoying thing. Right, so now I hope you guys saw what I just did right there. Blow on it again. These are cute. And I'm way more into the dramatic lashes than I'm into the simple lashes, because if I wanted the lashes to look simple, girl, I would have put on some mascara. I want it to look big. I want you to see that difference. Dramatic. Bang. In your face. Whoa. So just keep drying it. And once again, when the lash glue starts to get like a darker blue, that's how you know it's drying. I don't know what kind of magic they have in this thing, because it's blue right here, and then on your eye it dries clear. So don't even worry about that. So once again, drag it over your eye before you actually drop it to see where it's gonna like fall. Actually start with the corners, yeah. That's what I said. Start with the corners and then drag it out. And the good thing about this is, even if you mess up, you can lift it up, but really, you gotta be real quick. Wait, let me fix that over here. So you can lift it up and you can fix it. It's gonna dry clear, so don't worry about that. And there we go. You see, that just took me from to I think I'm gonna put some mascara on just to really tie it all together. Hold on. Oh, this is my dollar store mascara, because I don't, you know, it does the job. I don't really care about the brands and stuff. You're really supposed to put on mascara before you put on the lashes, but anyways, this is how I do my thing. But yeah, this is your final look. I think these are so cute. Once again, the lashes will be in the description, because I know people always want to get some good lashes. These lashes are good. They're affordable. I mean, you see them. Like, I don't have to say too much. The lashes are doing the talking. So, if you like this video, leave a like down below. I hope you really learned how to put on lashes. Comment down below if this video helps you, because I'm really trying to help y'all out. No more Rosas. We don't want you guys looking like Rosa. So leave a like, check out my other videos. I got a lot of more uploads coming. Bye.